Mmm. Iceberg milkshake, I'm telling you. However, there is one milkshake better. If you're ever in Utah, Heber, Utah specifically, there's this place called Granny's Milkshakes. Ooh, they make the real deal. They're good. Just check it out sometime. And Heber, Utah is a really cool town to visit too, if you're ever in the area. All right, I did this problem in a previous video, and I used what was called Method 1. In Method 1, the objective was to get one fraction divided by another fraction. Okay, and now I'm going to do this using a different approach. They call it Method 2 in a lot of textbooks and such. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this, first of all, this denominator within the denominator, this x squared plus 8x plus 15. Let me factor that. And I mentioned this in the previous video where I did the same problem. A lot of times you can use these little denominators to help you figure out how this guy's going to factor. In other words, it's going to be x plus 3 and x plus 5. Okay? Now, here's where Method 2 comes in. This is kind of cool, actually. So, let me circle all my little denominators. I've got my x plus 3, my x plus 5, and over here I've got x plus 3 and x plus 5. With what I've got circled, let's find out what is my least common denominator among all those guys, okay? It's going to be x plus 3 times x plus 5, right? Okay, so I'm going to take that x plus 3 and x plus 5, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply it to, let's check how many fractions we have, little fractions we have. We've got this guy, the 9 over x plus 3. We've got this guy, the 6 over x plus 5. And we've got this guy, the 5x plus 21 over the x plus 3 and x plus 5. I'm going to multiply all three of those fractions by x plus 3 and x plus 5, like this. X plus 3 and x plus 5 here. X plus 3 and x plus 5 here. X plus 3 and x plus 5 there. And let's see what all drops out. Here, this x plus 3 and this x plus 3 will drop out, leaving us with a 9 times the quantity of x plus 5 plus, now let's look at the second fraction. This x plus 5 and this x plus 5 divide out, leaving us with a 6 times the quantity of x plus 3. All over, and over here, this x plus 3 and this x plus 3 drop, this x plus 5 and this x plus 5 drop, and you just have a 5x plus 21. Like that. Wow. What I like about Method 2 is you get rid of all the extra fractions in a big hurry. It's pretty cool. So now I'll just distribute the 9x through. So that's 9x plus 45. I'll distribute the 6 through as well. 6x plus 18. And it's all over 5x plus 21. Like that. Collecting like terms, we've got 15x plus 63 over the 5x plus 21. And if you watch my previous video where I used Method 1, you notice this bit. You can factor out a 3 in the numerator. That'll leave you with a 5x plus 21 in the numerator over this 5x plus 21. Those two divide out, and your answer is 3. And again, if you want people to really not be happy with you and child support services may be coming after you, you know, someone asks you how old your little child is, and you tell them instead of 3 years old, you tell them, my child is 9 over x plus 3 plus 6 over x plus 5 over 5x plus 21 over x squared plus 8x plus 15 years old. Better yet, have your 3-year-old say that and see how that goes over. Never done that with my own kids. I don't think my wife would let me. All right, I hope that helped you guys.